Welcome back our dear students in a new episode from your program مدرسة على الهوا with Mr. Mahmoud and me أ-وائل. I think today we have revision on Unit 2. Mr. Muhammad, you're welcome.
Welcome Mr. أ-وائل in this episode, and welcome to all my dear students in this episode of Science for revision. We have today many questions about the Unit 2, all questions, but before we will start we have some points in the previous lesson. Okay.
First, I have a question for you, Mr. Muhammad.
Okay.
Why do you have these glasses?
Yes. Firstly, we have to explain why some people or persons try to use or actually use some medical eyeglasses, as we explained in the previous episode, from the uses from the lenses, as we have the medical eyeglasses. So here we have two types of eyeglasses, as we have convex and concave. In my case, الحالة بتاعتي, I have short-sightedness case أو قصر نظر. So I wear what glass? In this case, I will wear a what glass? Concave lens. Why? And we will explain this case. But some other people wear a convex or medical eyeglasses in other cases to treat long-sightedness. Okay, Mr.
So, what's meant by short-sightedness?
Okay, before we explain here short-sightedness and long-sightedness, we should know why the image is formed on the retina in front of your brain, as we have here the vision on the monitor. تعالوا نشرح مع بعض. This vision, all we have to know, the image is formed on eyes retina. Where is the eyes retina? Here, in this place. In this place we have the eyes retina here. Okay, so we know the image is formed on the eyes retina, and we should know the human's eye have what lens? Has what is convex lens. يعني العدسة بتاعت عين الإنسان is convex. So normal person can see from 25 centimeters to 6 meters clearly. We talk about the clear vision, الرؤية الواضحة. So we should know the clear vision as or from 25 centimeters to 6 meters. More than 6 meters or less than 25 centimeters, we have vision distorted. معناها عدم وضوح للرؤية. Okay, so here we should know number one, as we have to explain the long-sightedness. يعني ايه long-sightedness? Long-sightedness معناها man or human can see the far object clearly. أنا بتكلم can see the far object clearly, but can't see the near object clearly. يعني يقدر او ما يقدرش يشوف الحاجة القريبة بوضوح، بس هو شايفها but not clearly. So we have reasons here. The first reason, number one, eye ball اللي هو كرة العين نفسها diameter decreases. يعني العين حصل لها عملية shrink أو انكماش. So here eye lens عدسة العين يحصل لها ايه؟ less ولا more convex؟ هقول له هنا less convex. يعني convexity of the eye lens decrease. So in this case we have the image, الصورة, is formed what? After or behind what? The retina. Okay? So how can we treat this case? ازاي نعالجه؟ I think Mr. وائل can answer this question. We can treat this case by what lens?
Yes, due to the decreasing in convexity of eye lens, so we need convex lens.
Okay. So here we treat the long-sightedness by using what? By using convex lens. We treat by using convex lens. Why? Give reason for. ممكن يسألني give reason for. Why? هقول له in this case الانسر قدامنا اهو. هقول له because eye lens less convex أو the decreasing of convexity of the eye lens. Okay? طيب ممكن يقول لي برضه give reason for. In the long-sightedness the eye أو the image is formed after or behind the retina. Give reason for. فين الانسر؟ هقول له because eye lens less a convex so the image is formed behind or after the retina. So why? Give reason. نفس give reason for. Convex lens we treat the long-sighted by convex lens. Give reason. أقول له because eye lens less convex. لو قال لي give reason for the image is formed after the retina أقول له because eye lens is less convex. طب افرض قال لي give reason for هنا some people suffers from the long-sightedness. هقول له two reasons, not only one reason. We have here the first eyeball diameter decreases so the eye lens less convex. لما يقول لي ليه هو عنده long-sightedness أقول له طبعا the first and the second reason. So if we want to مثلا ان احنا نقول the long-sightedness نقول له short-sightedness just we replace some words. بدل ما اقول له لو انا بتكلم على long-sightedness هنا هشيل كلمة long-sightedness واحط مكانها ايه؟ short-sightedness. هقول له man can't see far object clearly but can see. هيقدر يشوف. اشيل بقى can't هنا the near object clearly. يعني يقدر يقرا حاجة يقدر without eyeglasses. eyeball diameter بدل decrease هتبقى increase. So the eye lens is less convex. No, more convex. So the image is formed before the retina or in front of the retina. So we treat this person by what? By concave lens. And we will answer these give reasons like the previous give reasons for. Okay.
So what type of glasses do you have now?
Me suffering from short-sightedness. So my eyeball diameter increase. So my eye lens convexity increase. So here the image is formed before the retina. So I treat my case by using what? As we have here concave eye glass because my eye lens is more convex or the convexity of my eye lens increase. Okay.
So our dear students, to remember, to help you to remember, long-sightedness is due to decreasing. Long-sightedness is due to decreasing eyeball diameter or decreasing convexity of eye lens. And short-sightedness is due to increasing. Short-sightedness is due to increasing eyeball diameter or convexity of eye lens. And what other
Okay.
about, yes.
Okay.
Is
So
there any diseases?
Yes, we have some diseases, but before we will show a little video here to explain how can we the vision is takes place. هنا قدامنا على الفيديو زي ما احنا شايفين هنا eye as you see, and we have here the retina in this place, and the eye lens is convex lens as you see in front of you, and the light comes from this direction جاي من هنا. So the image is formed on the retina, as retina here as what? As screen. هي الشاشة بتاعتي. So the vision defect of the eye lens هنا becomes more convex, يعني eyeball increase in diameter, so the image is formed what before the retina, so we have short-sightedness and vice versa in the opposite case as you see in front of you. Okay. Okay, dear students, here we have some other cases. عندنا حالات تانية. As we have cataract disease أو مرض اسمه الكاتاراكت اللي هو زي ما بنسميه بالعربي المية البيضاء. ده comes from what our factors causing the eyes cataract. We have oldness, we have genetic readiness يعني استعداد وراثي, oldness كبر سن, some wrong uses of drugs, هنا drugs which means medicines يعني أدوية. So we have many reasons. As we have give reason for some persons suffering from cataract. ليه؟ أقول له oldness, genetic readiness, or drugs. What is meant by cataract? يعني ايه cataract? Cataract which means what? The eye lens becomes dark. عدسة العين بتبقى عتمة شوية. طبعا هنا عشان كده بيسموها المية البيضاء as clouds زي سحابة أو قطن قدام العين. طبعا مفيش حاجة. يبقى هنا ال eye lens becomes dark. So how can we treat the cataract? ازاي نعالج مرض الكاتاراكت ده as give reason for أو why أو how can we treat the cataract؟ هنا هقول له by replace the eye lens with artificial one, بنبدلها بعدسة صناعية طبعا surgery أو جراحية. The last point in our lesson today, or in this point, we have to know what is meant by contact lenses. العدسات اللاصقة. Contact lenses are used instead of the medical eyeglasses, بدل النظارات الطبية. And made of what? Made of plastic, because we can't attach any glass object with our eyes. مش هنلزق حاجة إزاز في العينين. Plastic. So here we have a question. How the اللي هي contact lens attach with what? With eye. ازاي بتلزق في العين؟ by eye fluid. بسوائل العين. by eye fluids. Okay, Mr. وائل.
There is a phone call.
Okay.
Hello.
الو مستر.
اهلا وسهلا.
مساء الخير.
مساء
اسال مستر محمد بعد اذن حضرتك.
اوكي.
اتفضلي.
عندي سؤالين. السؤال الاول give reason concave mirror is used in solar event.
Give reason for, yes, concave what?
Mirror.
Concave mirror, yes.
Is used in solar event.
Is
oven.
Yes.
Is used in solar event.
Solar oven.
Ovens.
Yes.
Oven. Sorry.
Okay, مفيش مشكلة.
في سؤال تاني بعد اذنك.
Give reason for ولا what?
لا what? To obtain suitable.
To obtain.
Suitable.
Obtain.
Suitable.
Suitable, yes.
Image on object.
Image.
On object.
Okay.
It should stand.
It should stand, yes.
At distance.
At
distance.
Distance.
Less than.
Focal
length.
length.
In front of.
of.
Concave mirror.
مش سامع سوري.
Concave mirror.
Concave mirror, okay. Concave mirror, okay.
بس كده. ميرسي يا مستر. شكرا.
العفو تحت
شكرا ليك.
العفو تحت أمرك. Here we have to give reasons for from the mirrors. Okay, first give reason for. Concave mirror is used in solar oven as we studied before in lesson 1. Concave mirror is used in solar oven only because concave mirror أو mirrors converge بتجمع the light what rays. light rays بتجمع الضوء. converge the light rays. The next question we have here as case from the cases of concave mirrors, we have to obtain suitable image. عشان أحصل على صورة مناسبة of object, it should stand at distance less than focal length in front of concave mirror. In front of concave mirror. The first أو the only one case, الحالة الوحيدة in concave mirror, the image is what? Is erect. يعني كل الكيسز in concave mirror the image is inverted، يعني upside down، يعني الصورة مقلوبة. Only one case the image is what? Is erect، يعني upright، يعني معدول. هنا هقول له because، بصوا السؤال كام لاين؟ about 3 lines، 3 سطور. اقول له because the image is what? Is erect. Only one case we have the image is what? Is erect in concave mirrors and in convex lens if the object at distance less than focal length. Okay, Mr. Weil.
Someone asked me a question.
Okay.
It was very nice.
Okay.
Why the lens of our eyes or the lenses of our eyes are convex, not concave?
Concave,
Yes.
not convex. Okay. Here we have to know why the lenses of human is convex, because here we need to what? To watch or to see real image, number one. Because convex lens forming real image. Why? Because the image is formed as inverted image on the retina, and at the same time this image is formed due to the intersection of the refracted rays. Okay? And the brain will translate into upright image، يعني مخي بعد كده بيترجمها لصورة معدولة. يبقى احنا we can't see virtual، لازم هنشوف حاجة ايه؟ real. So here we answer according to the kind of the image. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Muhammad. Now I have 2 questions,
Okay.
advanced question for
Yes.
our students, and we will wait for your calls.
I hope so.
Yes. Number 1, give reason for.
Give reason for.
For, yeah.
Yes.
The light ray,
Okay.
the light ray that passes through optical center goes without refraction.
هنا السؤال مستر وائل يقصد ان اللايت راي لو عدى من الاوبتيكال سنتر ليه ما حصلوش ريفراكشن؟ Okay, how can you answer this question? We are waiting for your phone calls. Okay.
Okay.
You have
Number
another?
2,
Yes.
convex lens collects light rays,
Yes.
while concave lens separates light rays.
Why convex lens converge the light or collect the light rays and the concave lens what diverge the light rays؟ اشمعنى دي بتعمل collect واشمعنى دي بتعمل ايه ما بتعملش collect، بتعمل separate the light rays. Okay.
I think we have another call.
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
You have another
Hello?
phone caller?
I think we missed it.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, dear students, we have here some types of questions as we have to review the lessons of Unit 2, the light energy as in concave, as in mirrors and lenses. So let's go to start with the first question. We have the first question as we see. Number 1, convex lens is placed in the path of the sun rays, very small image. For the sun is formed as a distance 5 centimeters from the optical center of the lens. If this lens is used to form an equal for a body، خلي بالنا عايز يعمل صورة equal. What is the distance between the body and the optical center of the lens؟ خلي بالنا what is the distance between the body and what? Optical center. Okay, هنا we have what? We have first point in this question بيقول لي sun rays. So sun rays we have here a very far object. So the image is formed at what? At focus. يبقى هنا بيقول لي ان الفوكال length equal how many? 5 centimeters. Because we have this case in lesson 1 very far we didn't draw an image. ما بنرسم object. ما بنرسمش object. بنرسم 2 parallel light rays and these light rays are intersect in the focal length or focus. So here we have focal length equal how many? 5 centimeters. So if we obtain or we want to obtain هنا in this case what equal زي ما هو قال لي اهو equal, so we have to stand the object at distance equal double focal length at center of curvature, so we will choose question or answer number 2. يبقى انا هنا عرفت من الايه من الفوكال length equal 5 centimeters. Okay, a question or the next question بيقول لي ايه؟ بيقول لي a lens is placed in front of sun rays. A very small real image is a from the sun is formed at distance 20 centimeters. خلاص عرفنا اللعبة صح؟ يبقى هنا الفوكال length how many؟ 20 centimeters. From the optical center of the lens. If this lens is used to form virtual upright enlarged, we have only one case to obtain virtual upright enlarged if the object at distance less than focal length. Less than how many? Focal length. And here we have focal length equal how many? Equal 20 centimeters. So we have four numbers, 10, 20, 40, and 50. So we will use what number here? Less than 20. As less than focal length, we will start or we will answer as 10 centimeters. بنخلي بالنا واحنا عارفين in only one case the object is virtual upright and enlarged if the object at distance less than focal length in convex lens and concave mirror. Next question is the body is placed in front of concave mirror at certain distance from its pole and no image is formed on the screen. This is due to the body is transparent, يا ترى هو شفاف ولا placed at infinite distance in front of the mirror ولا opaque ولا placed at distance less than focal length of the mirror. هنا قال لي no image. We have two answers to form an no image. Number one, if the object at distance equal focal length. لو الأوبجكت at distance equal focal length وبعلي صوتي عند focal length no image. هنا طب ما فيش distance at في هنا عندنا في الانسرز هنا focal length؟ لا ما فيش. يبقى هختار مين؟ yes transparent. يبقى الأوبجكت أكيد transparent مش يعني شفاف كده. هنا طبعا transparent مش هيعمل reflection لللايت on it and then the light will pass through and as no image will form in this case. Okay. Give reason for most people can't write correctly while seeing their writing through plane mirror. ما حدش بيعرف يقرا أو يكتب كويس in front of what's here. We have plane mirror. We have many properties of the image that formed by the plane mirror here. أقول له طبعا because one of them is what? Because the image is reversed. Reversed طبعا يعني معكوس. Okay, we have
yes, we have a call. Hello.
hello
أحمد.
لو بس في سؤال بس من الوحدة الأولى ماشي؟
اتفضل.
A car moves at a regular speed takes 5 seconds.
How many?
5 seconds.
Regular speed 5 seconds? ازاي 5
takes 5 seconds
to cover 100 meters.
Takes 5 seconds, yes. To cover 100 meters.
Then the driver
yes. The driver
applies on the brake.
Yes.
So it takes 2 seconds to stop.
2 seconds to stop.
After 20 meters.
After 20
meters.
20 meters, yes.
Calculate the acceleration at which the car moves during the second 20 meters.
Calculate the acceleration in seconds 20 meters. Okay. يعني هو need to calculate the acceleration here, صح؟ Okay. يبقى أحمد قال لنا إن البادي moves with أو takes 5 seconds to cover 100 meters. Then the car driver use the brakes to stop the car after 2 seconds to stop هنا أو through 2 seconds to stop طبعا after 20 meters. هو need the acceleration in this 20 meters. Okay. Firstly we should know. هنا خلي بالنا قال لي stop ها. صح؟
Yes.
يبقى stop هنا هوت. This body أو the final speed equal 0. يبقى الفاينل سبيد أو V2 equal 0 meter per second. So we need what, Mr. وائل here?
We need first V1.
V1.
Yes.
So we need to calculate V1. How can we calculate V1, Mr. وائل? We use what here?
Yes, we use the rule of V equal D divided T, 100 divided 5.
يبقى V1 equal D over T. As Mr. وائل said, we have here 100 divided 5. So here we have what? وخلي بالنا لازم الميجرنج يونت ما ننساهاش. يبقى عندي 20 meter per second. So I think we can calculate the what?
Acceleration.
The acceleration. Acceleration equal what? Equal V2 minus V1 over T. So V2 equal how many? Equal 0 ما ننساش minus 20 over time equal how many?
2.
Equal 2 seconds. So we have here negative 20 over 2 equal, so acceleration equal what? As we have here acceleration equal negative 10 meter per second power 2. خلي بالنا acceleration sometimes in negative because we talk about the negative acceleration or deceleration motion or decelerating motion. Okay. Good question from Ahmed, and we can complete our questions, and we hope our dear students can call us to answer your advanced questions. Yes.
I have a question, Mr. Muhammad.
Okay.
An optical piece.
Optical piece.
Yes. That forms literally inverted.
Optical
piece. That forms literally inverted.
Inverted.
Equal.
Inverted equal.
Image. Equal in size.
Yes.
Okay.
Equal. Image. To
the object.
The object. In size. بيقول لي ايه؟ Optical piece. Laterally inverted هنا which means what? Which means reversed.
Yes.
يبقى مين اللي بيعمل reversed؟ يبقى مفيش قدامي الا انسر واحده اللي هو مين؟ اللي هو البلين ميرور. لان laterally inverted معناها ايه؟ بلين ميرور معناها reversed. اوكي مستر وائل.
Another call. Hello. مهند. Yes. You're welcome, Muhammad.
اتفضل.
I got a question.
Yes.
Hey.
You said before that the opaque mirror. You said that the answer before.
Opaque mirror?
No, I mean that the answer. The answer of the.
معلش ممكن ثانية واحدة ممكن تعلي صوتك بس شوية؟
Okay. In the last question, in the last reflection, an image which have no image.
No image?
Yes.
You talk about our question?
Yes.
Okay, no image because the object is transparent. We have two cases. We have no image in two cases.
I know,
one case.
You said that it's transparent.
Yes.
Why didn't we choose opaque?
لا لو opaque like us. ما أنا opaque يا معلش أحمد. مهند. أنا opaque وأنت opaque صح؟ The opaque object as we studied before in primary stage زي ما خدنا في ابتدائي. We have transparent, translucent and opaque. صح؟ الأوبيك reflect light rays ولا let the light rays to pass through؟
لا.
رد علي ها قول.
صح.
يبقى reflect ولا let the light to pass through؟
لا
ما بيعملش يعني بيعمل reflection. اوكي يبقى هنا لو انا عملت reflection you can see me صح؟ انما لو clean glass لو ازاز نظيف ممكن واحد يخبط فيه صح وماشي صح؟ لان هو allow all light rays to pass through. يبقى هنا we can't see the image. We have two cases. If the object at distance equal focal length or the object is transparent يعني شفاف like the air زي الهواء اللي حواليا ده You can see the air?
No, I can't.
Because the air is transparent. Doesn't refract the light rays. You have another question, محمد?
No, thank you.
Okay, محمد, you are welcome. طبعا انا مبسوط من مهند ومبسوط من احمد ومبسوط كل اللي بيتصلوا بينا طبعا هنا. وما نزعلش لو حد سأل وسأل كتير، احنا بنبقى مبسوطين بأسئلتكم جدا يعني.
But we didn't have the answer for our 2 questions.
طبعا till now no. till now no questions, no answers of the 2 advanced questions in the beginning of this episode. As we have here to complete our questions, as you see here, بيقول لي short sightedness is treated by using concave lens. اشمعنى short sightedness we use concave lens to treat؟ اقول له short sightedness اقول له because eye lens is what؟ هو بيقول لي concave يبقى is more convex. Okay, Mr. وائل.
Another call.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello.
Lujain.
Hi.
How are you? We missed you so
fine,
much.
thank
You are our friend.
Yes, Lujain.
Yes. Do you have a question?
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah.
It was you gave this question before in the episode, but I didn't get the answer, so I wanted to ask about the answer.
Which question, Lujain?
An object moved at regular speed, covered 200 meters in 5 seconds.
اللي احنا حليناه؟
You didn't solve it in the episode. You just gave it, and you didn't solve it after that.
Okay, go on.
Go on.
Okay. An object moved at regular speed, covered 200 meters in 5 seconds.
200 meters in 5 seconds.
If the driver used the brake, so its speed decreases by the rate of 4 meters per second squared.
Yes, 4 meter per second squared وقال لك انها decreases.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then find the acceleration during the first.
يبقى هو 4 meter per second squared يبقى negative acceleration.
Okay.
خلي بالك ها.
Yes. Then find the acceleration during the first 200 meters and the time taken to stop.
First 200 meters?
Yes, and the time taken to stop.
It was our question, Lujain. That's right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. 200 meters and we
Time.
need to calculate the time. Yes?
Time to stop.
Yeah.
Yes.
Time
Yes.
to stop.
Okay.
Um,
We need to calculate. طبعا
Yes.
اتفضل مستر وائل قول.
First, Lujain, this object moves at regular speed.
Yes.
That's right. In the first 200 meter. So the acceleration in the first 200 meter equal?
0.
Very good. This is
Yes.
the first one. 0. Why? Because it moves
With regular speed.
with regular speed. Number 2, Mr. Muhammad.
Okay, so here firstly we know here the body moves with regular speed, so we have no acceleration. But at the second 200 meters, we have to calculate what the acceleration here. We have what? We have to calculate the speed.
We need V1.
V1 and
Yes.
V2.
And V2.
V1 equal how many? هنحسبها ازاي؟
200 over 5
تمام.
equals 40.
Over 5 equal 40.
40
40 what?
meters per second.
Don't forget to write the measuring unit.
Okay.
Then we have to calculate what?
V2 equals 0.
V2 equal what?
0.
0 because the body?
Stop.
Yes, excellent.
And we have acceleration.
Yes, at the same time يبقى equal 0 and we have acceleration equal what?
0.
Negative.
Negative.
Negative 4.
0.
Negative 4 يبقى عندي
Negative
acceleration
4,
equal negative 4 meter per second. So we can calculate the time.
Yes.
By using magic triangle we know time equal acceleration
Acceleration
V2.
over
V2 minus V1.
V2 equal minus V1 over
divided-
acceleration.
Yes.
okay.
يبقى V2 equal how many? 0 minus V1 equal 40 over acceleration equal negative 4. So negative 40 over negative 4 equal
Equals 10.
10 what?
Seconds.
10 seconds.
Excellent, Lujain. Excellent.
Okay.
I have a question for you, Lujain. Can I?
Okay, sure.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Acceleration is A. Can I write it A capital?
Of course not.
Yes, very good. Because A capital is symbolized by area. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, we have another question here, dear students. At what happens when a plane mirror is placed a distance أو at the side. لو أنا استخدمت الplane mirror at the side of the car instead of convex. لو أنا استخدمت on the monitor please here بيقول لي a plane mirror is placed at the side car. لو أنا استخدمت الplane mirror في السايد car instead of the convex mirror. اوكي طبعا هنا how can طبعا ما نقدرش، يبقى اقول له we can't see all behind. مش هشوف كل اللي ايه اللي ورايا. اقول له because plane mirrors forming equal image to the object. That what happens. We have another one. A light ray incident by angle of 35 degree on a plane mirror. What happens in this case? أقول له the light reflects with angle how many? 35 degree, because angle of incidence equal angle of reflection, the first law of light reflection. Third question is, a light ray passes through the optical center of the lens. What happens in this case? أقول له طبعا the light passes, or the light ray passes without refraction or complete in the same straight line. طبعا هنا we have to obtain, how can we obtain the object and the image distances. لازم نخلي بالنا من 3 cases. Now in mirrors and in lenses we have here concave mirrors like convex lens, because both collect, but concave mirror collect light rays after reflection and the convex lens collect the light rays after refraction. If the object a distance equal focal length, يعني at focus, in this case no image, no intersection of reflected rays or their extensions. خلي بالنا. In concave mirror and in convex lens, both. At the same time we have object is very far, يعني no object will draw in front of concave mirror or convex lens, as we have 2 parallel light rays will reflect at focus in concave mirror and refract at focus in convex lens. So the image is what? Is dot. طبعا at focus. The third case, if the object at distance less than focal length in concave mirror and in convex lens. In this case we have only one case, we have erect, which means upright, يعني معدول. Number 2 enlarged. Number 3 virtual. In concave mirror we can say behind the mirror, and in convex lens we can say behind the object. So we have these 3 cases, very actual cases. خلي بالنا لان هم ممكن يجي اي واحد، انما طبعا the other cases I'm sure you can answer by yourself. If the object at distance more than double focal length, or at distance equal double focal length, or something like that. Okay, Mr. Wael.
Okay. What the optical piece?
Optical piece.
Or optical pieces.
Optical piece.
Maybe, yeah.
Yes, we have
that
optical piece as your question.
Yes.
Laterally inverted.
Yes, first one. That was the first one.
Now, laterally inverted, which means reversed.
Yes.
So we have here only one, اللي هو الplane mirror.
Yes.
Okay.
But now to form virtual, upright, smaller. Yes.
يبقى انا عندي virtual, upright and smaller. Smaller يعني الأوبجكت قرب ولا بعد؟ يبقى smaller. ان اوبتيكال بيس اللي هي انهي واحده اللي عايز الاوبتيكال بيس ولا عايز الايمج؟
No, I want an optical piece.
Optical
that
piece.
forms virtual, upright, smaller.
Virtual, upright, smaller.
Or maybe optical pieces.
Okay, optical
maybe 2.
piece.
Yes.
Okay, so here we have as optical piece form upright small. طبعا upright يبقى virtual وفي نفس الوقت small. Like my eyeglasses here. My eyeglasses is what? Is concave lens.
Yes.
This only one case in يعني عندنا all problems in the lenses about the convex lens. But we have only one case. In the previous episode we answer one question about the concave lens. So the concave lens form image small, upright and virtual. يبقى عندي هنا ممكن اقول له مين؟ الكونكيف لينس. اوكي مستر وائل.
Yes. Another one.
Yes, another one.
Virtual, upright, equal.
Virtual, upright, equal. Concave mirror or convex lens can't form upright and equal. But we have only can form upright. يبقى virtual, يبقى equal. We have here plane mirror.
Yes.
I hope يعني we can cover all questions يعني in this episode. You have another question,
Yes.
Mr. Wael? Okay.
Yes, optical bead that form is virtual, upright, magnified.
Virtual, upright and magnified.
Yes.
هنا virtual يعني upright يبقى virtual, magnified يبقى we have here convex lens but object at distance equal what? At distance equal less than focal length. Less than focal length. Or concave mirror and the object at distance equal less than focal length. In two cases here, or two optical pieces, the image is upright and equal and magnified طبعا behind the mirror or behind the object. Okay. You have another?
Okay, I want to ask you another question.
Okay.
About the contact lenses.
Contact lenses,
Yes.
yes.
Do you like it?
Contact lenses is good, but at the same time we should يعني remove the contact lenses before we sleep, and don't use the contact lenses العدسات اللاصقة for a long period of time, because we need to wash or let the fluids in your eye to wash the eye from the outer surface. Some people للأسف sleep with the contact lens، بيناموا وهم لابسين العدسات اللاصقة. ده غلط طبعا، because we need to make aeration أو تهوية to the eye at the same time to let the eye wash itself by the eye's fluid. And the contact lenses is good if we use it in right way instead of eyeglasses طبعا. And we know here how the contact lenses is attached to the eyeball by eye fluids، يعني ما نحطلهاش اي sticky substance، ما نحطهاش لزق طبعا، هي stick with the eye by the eye fluids.
Mr. Muhammad, you mentioned that we have two vision defects and one disease. That's right. So if in any question, the exam asks about defects.
Defect.
Just two. That's right.
We have only two in your syllabus. We have two only vision defects, as we have يعني more convexity.
Yes.
يبقى عندي طبعا short sightedness.
Yes.
لو عندي less convexity يبقى عندي long sightedness. We have two only vision defects. طبعا في other cases of vision defects but not in our syllabus. At the same time we have only one disease as a cataract. Eye lens becomes dark and we replace the eye lens with another artificial one made of plastic. Okay, Mr. Wael.
Thank you, Mr. Muhammad.
Thank you.
Thank you, our students. I think we came to the end, and we thank you very much for your interaction with us. And next time, next episode, wait us for answering our advanced question. Okay? See you next time. Goodbye.